What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalie if you are new, and welcome to the crew. Today's video is going to be a Allure beauty box unboxing for the month of January. So last month's Allure beauty box was bomb. It was by far my favorite box that I've gotten from them ever. It was the Jaclyn Hill box. So a lot of the products I had already tried and already loved and have already been like favorite products of mine for some time. So it was nice to get more of them because I was running low on all of them. And also the Hourglass primer. Oh my gosh, I've been obsessed. But Allure Beauty Box is $15 a month, and they have, I have pretty high expectations for this month because the past few months have been really good. So the bar has been set very high. So let's see how they do. Let's get started. So the first product, oh wow, and it's a really good size. Oh my god. I'm a little shook right now. Okay, it is the Sunday Riley, which is an amazing, inexpensive brand. C.E.O. Rapid Flash Serum. And this is heavy. This is, how much is this? 30 mLs, 1 fluid ounce. This is a good size. It's in a nice glass bottle. Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. Oh my gosh, anything brightening, I am all about that life. But you know what? I tried the Sunday Riley lactic acid treatment today. It smells horrid. It smells like rotten trash. It's horrible. It worked, but it smells horrible, and it like lingered. I was like, oh my god, I'm trying to cover it up with everything. Okay. Ooh, it has a nice pump and everything. Wow. I can figure out how to spawn through. Okay, so it is a white cream. Now it has kind of like a faint orange scent. Okay, so it says it's a vitamin C serum. So ooh, it's very, very creamy. It absorbs quickly and very nicely. It's really moisturizing. So the price is $85. Wow, way to start off the box with a bang. Look at that alliteration. All right, so the next product, the second product, is this In Transit Camera Close-Up Primer. You know what? It says mask, moisturizer, and primer in one. I have tried this before, and I really don't think I liked it. I'm trying to remember. Price is $55 for full size. This is 0.51 fluid ounces. It says it creates smooth canvas for foundation. It contains skin plumpers, hyaluronic acid, and glycerin, and a tightener of caffeine. Huh, maybe I'll try it again. So the third product, ooh, is The One by FREDERIC FEKKAI 1 and Then Some Dry Texturizing Spray. Price is $29. This is 15 mLs. So it says the spray delivers soft volume. Let me tell you about the scent. It smells so good that a perfect stranger in a New York City subway car tapped my shoulder to ask what it was. All right, so let me smell it and see. Ooh, that is pretty good. It kind of, like kind of that salon smell, but it smells like that kind of plus flowery too, but not too overpowering. It's really good. Okay, so I'm excited to try that. Right, I ain't mad at you. I do like that brand. Oh my gosh, they're like smoothing balm. Oh my gosh, that is the best. I really do like that brand. So the fourth product is this Makeup Forever Artist Liquid Matte Lipstick in Rosewood. All right. Hell yeah. That is really pretty. It's like a rose nude. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Ooh. That's a beautiful, like, mauve nude. That would look good on so many different skin tones. I don't think I've ever tried Makeup Forever's matte lipstick. Is it a yeah, I've always thought that matte liquid lipsticks are for the selfie generation. Yeah, they kind of are. But price $20. All right, I'm so excited to try that. And the last product is this RODIAL Smoky Eye Pen. And if it's in, it better not be freaking black. No, it says the point delivers a rich brown or black color that stays crisp. Huh? Oh, but then it says brown right here. So, oh, they probably had options. Oh, well, thank you, Allure, for not sending me a black mascara. Have you seen my, or black eyeliner? Have you seen my videos? Did you know that I was on the brink of a nervous breakdown if I got one more black eyeliner and sent me a brown one? Because I really appreciate that. Much appreciated. These are dope eyeliners. They are really, really good. One of my favorites, actually. But my all-time favorite is the Marc Jacobs. Oh my gosh, I lost one of them and I'm so sad. That literally just took me 12 minutes to open this eyeliner. But here's what it looks like. You can tell, and maybe, actually you can't tell, but it's a very like creamy formula. This one still has, here, I'll do it there. It's a really nice brown. So thank you, Allure. I like this. Price $21, so this is full size. So that was my entire Allure beauty box, and it rocked. Like, I can't even. The only thing I'm not super stoked about getting was this, but maybe it was something else of theirs that I tried that I didn't like. I don't know, but we'll see. Maybe I'll try it, maybe I won't. And it says Mani Pedi Vici, which is super cute. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.